Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about an important dipping project, Parasil Airdrop. You can see this project is going to take us less than 8 minutes to complete, and we're going to be rewarded via airdrop, and the status is already confirmed. The reward date is to be announced very soon. All right, this particular airdrop has raised about $4 million and more. And if you scroll down this page a bit, guys, you're going to see that this airdrop Season 0 Parasil was actually launched 26th of March 2025, and is going to end on the 9th of April 2025. Alright, we are still going to be eligible for this particular airdrop. All you have to do, guys, is just to go ahead and follow the steps I'm about to show you right now. Alright, now before the end of this video, guys, I'm going to list the airdrops you should be able to complete in this month of April and earn as much rewards as possible. Alright, now if you check out the video description, you're going to find the link to this particular Parasil airdrop. All you have to do, guys, is just to click on it and get started. And in case you want to check out their X account for their airdrop campaign, you could just come up here and visit their X one time. So over here is their X account, guys. Make sure you come up here always and check out the details of their airdrop campaign so you get to stay updated concerning the airdrop. All right, now back to this particular page, and all I have to do, guys, is just to head straight to the site we're using to farm this particular airdrop. All right, remember that the link is going to be in the description of this video for easy access. All you have to do, guys, is just to go ahead, click on it, and it will lead you straight to this particular site. Now the details of this airdrop, guys, is quite simple. All you have to do, guys, is just to come here. Step one is to go ahead and connect your wallet, just like you can see right here. Connect your wallet, then if possible you delegate some assets, then you go ahead and earn the pin rewards. Now before we proceed, if you're new to this channel or you're visiting us for the first time, do well to give this video a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. Then you go ahead and smash the subscribe button down below and turn on your notification bell to also you always get notifications of important videos like this. Now this airdrop campaign, guys, is going to be so much easy. If you make use of your phone, you just go ahead and install Mrs. Browser, as it has a wallet extension feature that will allow you install the OKX Web3 wallet extension feature. All right, but then if you make use of PC, this is going to be so much easier. Just go ahead, open up your browser and use the link I placed in the description to get started. Now once you get here, guys, go ahead and install the OKX Web3 wallet extension, and you come up here and click on this one that says connect, and you use OKX Web3 wallet. Let's just see how this goes. Now I'm going to quickly connect this Parasil app now to this particular wallet. All right, it is connected right now. Let me just confirm this. All right, so I have my OKX Web3 wallet connected to this particular Parasil airdrop site, and like I said, guys, we have just 3 days left until this season 0 is over, and all you have to do, guys, is just to come up here and participate in the airdrop campaign proper. Now these are the things you have to do. First is to run a node. Just come up here, activate your Parasil node every 24 hours and earn season points automatically. So after every single 24 hours, you just come up here and click on this one that says run node and activate my Parasil node, and this is going to automatically earn points for you. All right, now the second thing, guys, is just to go ahead and delegate assets or activate your current delegation to earn extra season points every single day. Now this is not compulsory, but in case you want to do this, all you have to do, guys, is just to come up here, click on this one that says delegates, then you go ahead and confirm some transactions. Please confirm that you want to participate in the season 0 and allow us to calculate season points based on your delegated assets. All right, now this is not compulsory, but you can choose to do this. And the next option, guys, is just to come up here and complete some social task. Once you click on this one that says complete, this page is going to come up, and this is very simple. All you have to do, guys, is just to come up here, connect your X account, you connect your Telegram, and as well connect your Discord account, and that's just it. All right, then you go ahead and join their social task and claim out the points attached to it. These are just the ways you can earn from this particular Parasil airdrop. All right, then you come up here and share your referral link. Anyone that registers with your referral link stands a chance of earning 10k season points. All right, and 10,000 season points and boost cards for every single friend you invite. That's just how simple it is. All right, now this is going to end in 3 days time, and all you have to do, guys, is just to complete your account setup. All right, now just head over from this season to your dashboard. Once you come up here to this dashboard section, you're going to see every detail concerning your account. All right, this is a new account, a totally new account with no earnings on it. All right, and if you check out this task hub, all you have to do, guys, is just to come up here and complete this task to claim your 10 points as a welcome bonus. All right, come up here and click on it. Then you come up here and complete that you are a human. You connect all 4 social accounts and you're just good to go. 10 Parasil points for you. That is just a welcome bonus. All right, and that is it on this Parasil network deepin airdrop. All you have to do, guys, is just to stay close. I'll be bringing you more updates on the development and the listing of this airdrop. All right, make sure your account is subscribed to this particular channel and the notification bell is turned on, as every single detail concerning this Parasil airdrop will be dropping on this channel. All right, now the next project I'll be leaving you guys with for the month of April is the recall airdrop. All right, over here is the official X account with over 240k followers on X, and it's actually an AI based project. And over here on CryptoRank, you're gonna see the details of this particular airdrop. They have been able to raise over $30 million on this particular recall airdrop, with over 78 companies backing this particular recall airdrop, and this is going to take us approximately 22 minutes to complete, and the reward type is by points. All right, now the reward date is to be announced very soon, and we're going to talk a bit about this particular recall airdrop in our upcoming videos. So all you have to do, guys, is just to stay close and subscribe to this channel. If you have questions to ask, do well to put it down in the comment section, and I promise to respond to your questions immediately. If you're not yet a member of our Telegram community, do well to join us on Telegram so you won't miss out on the updates we share on our Telegram channel. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.